Most people hear instant cash advance and immediately assume it's either a scam or some kind of payday loan trap. But here's the truth no one tells you. Apps like Brigit can absolutely help in short-term emergencies, but many users misunderstand the fees, limits, and repayment system before signing up. In this video, you'll learn whether Brigit is legit in 2026, how the app actually works, the real pros and cons, and the biggest mistakes users should avoid before borrowing money. Let's start with the basics. Brigit is a cash advance app designed to help users access small amounts of money before payday. Instead of using a traditional credit check system, the app typically reviews your bank activity, deposit history, and spending behavior. For example, Alex had an automatic bill payment coming out 2 days before his paycheck arrived. Instead of paying an overdraft fee through his bank, he used a small advance through a cash advance app to temporarily cover the gap. Now here's where it gets interesting. One reason Brigit became popular is because it combines cash advances with budgeting tools and account monitoring features. Some users like getting alerts before their balance drops too low. But here's the problem. Many people only focus on getting fast cash and completely ignore the membership costs or express transfer fees attached to some services. This is where most users fail. Another important thing to understand is borrowing limits. New users often qualify for smaller advances at first. John expected a large advance immediately after signing up, but the app approved only a limited amount until more account history was established. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake that causes users to struggle with apps like Brigit long term. Before that, let's answer the big question directly. Yes, Brigit is considered a legitimate cash advance app in 2026. Many users successfully receive advances in repayment processing through linked bank accounts. But legitimacy does not automatically mean it's always the right financial choice for everyone. Now, for the biggest risk. Repeated borrowing can quietly become a cycle. Jake started using cash advances only for emergencies, but eventually began relying on them for regular spending. That made every paycheck feel smaller after repayments were deducted. This is where responsible usage matters most. Cash advance apps should ideally help with temporary cash flow problems, not ongoing financial shortages. Now, for the smartest strategy. Before requesting any advance, calculate exactly how much money will remain after repayment hits your next paycheck. That one habit can prevent future stress better than almost anything else. Another important tip is avoiding unnecessary instant transfer fees unless the situation is truly urgent. Standard delivery is often slower but cheaper. So is Brigit legit in 2026? Yes, for many users it's a real and functional cash advance app. But whether it's worth using depends entirely on how responsibly you manage borrowing and repayments. The key takeaway is simple. Use cash advances carefully, understand the fees clearly, and avoid turning short-term borrowing into a long-term habit. If you've used Brigit before, comment below with your experience. And subscribe for more honest finance app reviews, money-saving tips, and budgeting guides.